I've got a really interesting garage going on here right now. So obviously the Rolls, the Ferrari, and the Hovercraft, and then I had this Tesla that Harry and I bought for a video. Also probably the cheapest Model S in the country, but pretty good for $20,000, right? So Black is here. We're going to trailer this on the Rolls.
Work or not work.
He looks really confident.
we're gonna find out.
What you don't know is that there's a tow hitch under there, courtesy of Stealth Hitches. I mean, it'll definitely work. It's just more of like, does it work well? That thing is pretty light. And I don't know how squirrely it's gonna be driving it around the highway and stuff. And this thing is, you know, very heavy. This is 3 tons. I don't know, man. So we'll give it a try. In my previous video, we couldn't get the engine working on the Hovercraft, so I figured I'd need to tow it to a professional who knows what they're doing on this. All right. Remove dust cover. Dig this in there. Insert. Lock it. That's it. Ready to tow, I think. Black is gonna record while I do the heavy lifting. Not that heavy. This is really supposed to happen. There we go. It even has the chain hooks. Pretty cool. Wow. This looks just as ridiculous as I thought it would.
And we're off. Wait, I'm supposed to go with him. So far, so good. The max speed of 3 miles per hour. It looks kind of cool.
This tows pretty solidly. When I first picked this thing up and I got it in the X7, it was way more suspect. Maybe because I pumped up the tire though. Small bumps are scary. Otherwise, pretty good.
The looks we are getting right now.
We've just started and it's insane. We're the same!
That was someone's random house we were.
The Hovercraft.
You fix it?
I don't think so.
Hey, Dell?
Yeah. Hey, Lee. Yeah. We'll take care of you.
All right. Hoping y'all can help me out with my Hovercraft here.
Oh, hell yeah, Scat Track, isn't it?
Yes!
Yeah, I rode on one actually years ago. That's funny shit.
Are you pulling a boat with a Bentley?
No, it's a Rolls-Royce. Yeah.
Hey, first.
That is what's up.
My attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie.
So I replaced that seal in the intake manifold. I replaced the carburetor too. I replaced the air filter. I got brand new spark plugs for it. Put a brand new battery as well. Put a brand new starter. Can't get it to start back up again. I'm planning on doing some stuff with it.
I can't wait to see you.
Yeah,
What you come up with.
Lee, thank you very much. Sir. I appreciate you taking a look at it.
Have a good one.
The mechanic who's working on the Hovercraft has called and said it is fully operational. So I'm gonna go pick it up. I'm so excited. I'm gonna grab my buddy Greg and we're going to go pick it up together in the Rolls. The tow vehicle.
Good morning.
We made it. Get this thing hooked up. Thanks, guys. Oh,
Ooh.
Whoops.
Jesus Christ.
If that's the worst that happens, I'm all right.
How many people can say they've ever seen this before? All right.
How nice that is.
Wow.
The first person to drive by stopped and was like, this is the best thing I've ever seen. Worked, another successful tow. So Greg and I just got it off.
There's probably a smarter way to do this, but
we did it the hard way.
Tiniest bit of throttle there.
Yo, that's fancy. How dangerous is this?